In today's world, it's easy to get bogged down by negativity, especially from difficult people like narcissists. But what if you could develop an inner shield to protect yourself from their emotional drain? That's the power of Stoicism, an ancient philosophy that offers practical tools for navigating life's challenges. Forget dusty history lessons. Stoicism is about empowering yourself to build a life of peace, resilience, and freedom. Whether you're dealing with a demanding boss, a critical family member, or anyone else bringing you down, Stoicism can equip you with the mental armor you need to thrive. Here are some key Stoic principles to help you navigate these situations. Empower yourself. Stoicism teaches that while we can't control external circumstances or other people's actions, we have complete control over our own thoughts and reactions. When faced with a narcissist, choose to respond with calmness and detachment. Remember, your response is your power. Master your emotions. Stoicism isn't about suppressing your feelings, it's about understanding them and choosing how you react. By using practices like meditation and journaling, you can become aware of your emotional triggers and cultivate a sense of calm in the face of negativity. Embrace self-discovery. Therapy can be a powerful tool that aligns perfectly with Stoic principles. By seeking professional guidance, you can shift your focus from external validation to self-compassion and cultivate the inner strength to navigate challenging relationships. Set boundaries with wisdom. Protecting your mental and emotional well-being is crucial. Stoicism doesn't advocate for bottling up your feelings. Instead, it encourages acknowledging them, understanding them, and then making rational decisions about how to move forward. This might involve setting healthy boundaries with the narcissist in your life. Minimize their influence. Don't let someone else's negativity dictate your inner world. Stoicism encourages you to minimize the narcissist's impact on your life while prioritizing your own peace, happiness, and personal growth. Challenge their negativity with your own unwavering calm and focus on building a fulfilling life that reflects your true values. Remember, you have the power to choose your attitude and live authentically. By applying these Stoic principles, you can build an inner fortress of resilience and navigate life's challenges with strength and peace. If this video resonated with you, consider subscribing to the channel, sharing it with someone who might benefit from a dose of Stoic wisdom, and hitting that like button. Don't forget to check the description for a special bonus resource to help you on your journey towards a more fulfilling life. Stay strong and stay Stoic.